Comrade ngiyangibingelela ekuseni comrade. Comrade uSheikh lo uMondli wancayana la emuzwa abantu sub-region eWard 11 ku-Ugo region eKZN. I hope le voice note le izokwazi ukuthi ihambe ifinyelele kuwona wonke ama-comrade e-MK noma ikephi la ekhona. Isizathu sami usokwenza voice note comrade ngifisa ukuthi nginixwayise and to caution each other about ubungozi be-division, ubungozi bokungazwani kodwa nibe ningaphansi kwevision eyodwa ngaphansi kombutho owodwa njengoba sizingane zikanxamalana nje sonke sama-social omkhonto sonke sama-comrade omkhonto uthi bathi asikhulumisani si-divided. There's a personal experience comrade engifuna ukuthi ngiyisherishe kanye nani. I hope mhlampe abanye benu bazolalela, they will take it and take a lesson kube khona bakufundayo kule experience yami engizoyisherisha kanye nani. Abanye benu mhlampe bazokwazi-ke ngake ngaba yikhansela kwaku-2021 umphakathi ungikhetha la eWard 11 ngiba yikhansela futhi ngake ngaba yi-deputy mayor la kumasipala wethu la wasemuzwa abantu municipality. Into eyenzeka comrade nje ngizozama ukuthi ngi-summarize the story lesi. Into eyenzeka comrade umasipala wethu unezihlalo eziwu-21 ama-seats awu-21. Kwavota abantu baqeda ukuvota ngo-2021 iqembu elibusayo at that time okwakuyi-ANC elalibusa at that time lathola ama-seat awu-10. Iqembu lalibusa lathola ama-seat awu-10 i-ANC. Ama-opposition parties athola ama-seat awu-11. Ama-opposition parties athola ama-seat awu-11 okuchaza ukuthi ama-opposition parties ayemaningi enamandla by one extra seat more than i-ANC. Abavoti base-Harding banikeza lamanye ama-opposition parties amaqembu amancane banikeza ama-seat amangaki awu-11. Shuthi abavoti bala kumasipala wethu bayikhiphe i-ANC emandleni bathi bathemba ama-opposition parties amaqembu lamancane. Amaqembu amancane elalinamasiti amaningi kwakuyi-IFP ayena-5 seats. Kube yithina-ke ngoba ngangimele Aljama ngathola 2 seats umuntu evotelwe abantu athola 2 seats umasipala. Bese kuba i-EFF nayo athola 2 seats. Y-ABC ne-DA babethole 1 seat. So ufuwahlanganisa lo ma-seats enza 11 seats ama-opposition parties and i-ANC ena 10 seats. Comrade into eyenzeka ama-opposition parties sahlangana sonke sakhuluma ngezwi elilodwa ukuthi asifuni ukuthi siphathwe i-ANC umasipala wethu siyayikhipha i-ANC. Abantu besifuna ukuthi banikeze service delivery sibakhiphe ebuqilini kade bukhona for the past 25 years. Savumelana and ngikhumbula kahle ukuthi ngobusuku ekwakuzohanjwa ngawo ngakusasa ekuseni uzoya kamasipala kuyovotwa kuyokhethwa izimeya kukhethwe uspeaker yonke into the inauguration ceremony ezokwenziwa. Wonke amakhansela e-opposition party ama-opposition parties wonke sasilele endaweni eyodwa. Sasilele kwi-property yami where I'm running a preschool in Harding. Sasilele ndawonye silele ndawonye sivumelene ukuthi asizohlukana kusasa ekuseni siyavuka siyokhipha i-ANC. Sakhetha ukuthi umeya uzophuma kwi-IFP, umeya wedolobha uzophuma kwi-IFP, udeputy mayor bakhethwe mina-ke ama-opposition parties azokhetha mina ukuthi ngibe i-deputy mayor ngoba i-EFF yayithe yona ayikho imandate yayiphumile oyi-directive yayiphume phezulu ukuthi bathathe any seat. But-ke sanikezana ngama-seat ngama-opposition on our own. Kwacaca ukuthi ayifune sokuthatha umasipala. Comrade ngizonitshela ukuthi ngenxa ye-division eyayikhona kwiqembu le-IFP isakhona till today lo division. Babengene be-divided kamasipala ama-councillors e-IFP ngenxa yama-list nokubanga nokungazwani nama-faction ayekhona ku-IFP. Lawo ma-division comrade till today, I'm telling you, njengoba till today ama-councillor e-IFP kamasipala amanye awo akhulumisana comrade, awangenelani awazwani for the past 5 years bekamasipala. And as a result of their division, ama-councillors e-IFP, ngikutshela ukuthi comrade umeya ekwakufuneka kube umeya we-IFP, ikhansela le-IFP elilodwa labo engeke ngilisho ukuthi lubani liyaziwa selazi sonke ukuthi kwakubani nje lokhansela lavotela umeya we-ANC. For the past 5 years iHarding inomeya we-ANC ngenxa yekhansela le-IFP elingafunanga ukuvotela umeya we-IFP. Esasilale sivumelene ukuthi sifuna umeya we-IFP, sinawo amandla ukuthi sifuna umeya we-IFP. but ikhansela le-IFP lavotela umeya we-ANC. Umeya nje ukhona umhlonishwa ukhona uZungu uyazazi nayo ukuthi wavotelwa ikhansela le-IFP because yini community i-division ungazwani ungakhulumisani ukuzondana and all the distractions ezikhona they can lead ukuthi nithi amandla senenawo community niwaphethe ngesandla amandla kodwa niwathatha abanye benu ngenxa yenzondo niwanikeze an enemy niwanikeze enemy forces amandla because of ungakhulumisani ungazwani community ungakwazi ukuhlala phansi nilungise ama-differences nidlulise nokungaxolelani community. And unfortunately, abanye benu are aware of our divisions and factions, the hatred, the amount of hatred within. Even now, in my own subregion, I'm experiencing this. The hatred, you know, I'm a community in our subregion, they will witness this. And if we engage our community, if we want to see in any battle, divided country, unfortunately, so any. And the enemy is us part. Abantu sebesinikile amandla. Abantu bazosinika amandla. CMK, I have no doubt ukuthi umphakathi wase South Coast uzosinikeza amandla. Phakathi South Coast wasogwini uzosinikeza amandla CMK. But unfortunately, because of this perpetual, constant, unnecessary, petty, trivial divisions akhona amongst us as comrades, sizothatha amandla sesiwanikiwe. So bese sivotele yazi today kumasipala wethu uDeputy Mayor okhona uDeputy Mayor osuka kwenye subdivision osuka eShepstone wathathwa nje wazowenza uDeputy Mayor eHarding. Umuntu ongakazi ahlala eHarding ongakazi but uDeputy Mayor waseHarding today. And abanye benu bayazi I resigned. Maybe I didn't even spend 2 years in Kamasipala. I resigned because of the differences ayikhona between me and my former party at that time. Because I stood on principle ukuthi ngeke ngisebenzisane mina nokhongolose ekubeni abantu bewukhiphile ukhongolose ukuthi usiphathe eHarding kodwa ngiyangiforce sisebenzisane ANC. I will never do that. I stood on principle that I would rather resign kunokuthi ngisebenzisane nabantu abakhishiwe umphakathi ukuthi usiphathe. So I resigned. So kuzofuneka community ngale story nje esincane engisishesha kanye nani sizame community ukuthi whatever differences akhona nangomhla 19 kuyahanjwa kuyokhethwa amagama azokwazi ukuthi asiphathele region yethu asiphathele ama-subregion wethu towards ama-election. Uzofuneka community ukuthi sigweme ukuthi sikhethe abantu ama-community esiwazi kahle amhlophe ukuthi forward they are always championing izinto ze-division. Sabakhethe community abantu abahle sibanika amandla abantu esibaziyo ukuthi baphambile ezintweni ze-division. Akukhulunyiswana nje kuma-subregion ngenxa yama-community ahleze e-cause division. Akukhulunyiswana ema-VT ngenxa yama-community ethi ahleze eshumela i-division. Akukhulunyiswana kwe-region ngenxa yama-community ahleze ebhizi ekhuluma i-division. Community asibe very careful community. Njengoba kuhambe kukhethwa nje endaweni eziningi kukhethwa ubuholi obuzosilida kuma-election. Asibe careful community ukuthi abantu ababhizi ama-community abhizi asanomoya wenzondo noma we-division singafisi ukulidwa abantu ngoba sizohamba siye ukuvota si-divided community. Nibe ama-councillors MK but anikhulumisana nizwani in the council. Nizokwazi kanjani ukuthi niseve ama-communities i-service delivery ningakhulumisani ningazwani community. Abazama ukuthi abantu abane-division sibapersuade comrades sihlale nabo phansi bashintshe ukucabanga ngoba lento le inzima kakhulu lento ibaluleke kakhulu lento inesisindo kakhulu into esiyivusele umsholozi ukuthi sikwazi usithatha izivillage. We cannot allow ukuthi because of ama-egos comrade egos and petty issues asizimisele ukuthi sibone ngeso elilodwa sikhulume ngezwe elilodwa comrade. Kuningi bengifisa ukuthi ngikusho comrade but ngicabanga ukuthi angime la. Please comrades ngiyancenga noma ngebulani khona avoid i-division at all cost. Singafisi ukulethwa abantu abasheze bekhuluma i-division comrade ngoba amandla sizowathatha sesinawo siwanikeze enemy because of i-division nokulethwa abantu abahleze beshumela i-division. I submit. Ngiyabonga kakhulu comrade. United we stand comrade, divided we fall. Mandla
awethu lawo ke ngamazwi ka-comrade Sheikh Said ya comrade Nxayana eHarding. Salute. Danko.